Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Gibsonton, local and long-distance movers near me. For any type of move, preparation is vital, and long-distance relocations are no exception. However, what each type of move requires for adequate preparedness is different, and for long distance, it can be quite the hassle to put things together. You may not have the time or the effort to complete the entire preparation process of the move, and this is because of the number of logistics you might consider. We can help you ease your burden. Not only do we handle long-distance relocations comfortably, but we do so efficiently, securely, and affordably. We can reduce the duration of your move significantly without putting your properties in danger. Even though it looks easier to move locally, you cannot underestimate the logistical issues that will arise with this type of move. You have to be very careful with how you pack your possessions so they can get to your new location without damage. Because the location is in your locality, you might consider doing it yourself. But remember, nothing beats quality service, especially when it comes to your safety and that of your belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gibsonton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.